This is a 2002 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500. This truck has a 4-speed automatic transmission and a 5.3-liter V8. All of the following features are included: a double wishbone independent front suspension, air conditioning, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a trailer hitch receiver, a security system, dusk-sensing headlights, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and aluminum wheels. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
CalWorthington Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 1950 Gambell Street in Anchorage.